Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics, where we teach you guys basic tutorials on games. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you guys can gift a Fortnite skin to your friend in Fortnite. So to do this you need to simply head over to shop, and after you're in shop you will see different kind of skins and emotes and all of the stuff that you want to gift to your friends. You need to simply click on one of them, and after you've done that you'll see an option right here called gift. So you need to click on gift, and after you have done that it will display you all of your friends that currently either have the skin or don't have, and you need to click on someone who don't have it, and you need to simply right here it will say gift instead of get V-Bucks. It says get V-Bucks because I don't have the V-Bucks to gift, but if you had it will simply tell gift, and after you have clicked on the gift button it will gift the item to your friend. So that's how you do it guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also please let us know on the comment section what video you guys want us to do and we will do so. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.